Good news, sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad here. Today we're returning to the classic. Here's one we haven't done in a while. The mighty Reuben. And here's what we'll need. Some corned beef. Some Swiss 100% real shiz. Some no-name wine sauerkraut. Some marble rye, or tiger bread, as someone called it in my comments. And some Russian dressing. Here's the ingredients for that. Snow has returned to the mountains outside my window. First, let's butter up that rye, and butter side down in the pan. Then let's spoon that Russian dressing on both sides. Then your holy Swiss on both sides. I like to steam it for a minute. When it's looking softer, we add the corned beef and the sauerkraut. We then combine. Ooh, looking very tigery. And one more quick steam. Stop to consider a dog. Hello. And remove from heat. Cut diagonally, and reveal. Looks delicious. Taste test. Oh yes, that's your Reuben. Sandwich Dad, good day.